Find dy by dx if y is equal to x upon x plus 1. तो यहाँ पर हम डेरिवेटिव ढूंढेंगे using the quotient rule. Now here x is the numerator and x plus 1 is the denominator. तो quotient rule होता है denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator upon denominator square. So differentiating with respect to x हमें मिलेगा dy by dx is equal to पहले आएगा denominator that is x plus 1 into derivative of numerator that is x फिर आएगा minus then numerator that is x into derivative of denominator यानी derivative of x plus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square. Proceeding further, ये term as it is that is x plus 1 and derivative of x होता है 1 minus अब ये x term as it is रहेगा into ये दो terms का derivative. अब यहाँ पर x का डेरिवेटिव इज 1 एंड 1 कांस्टेंट है तो इसका डेरिवेटिव 0 तो ब्रैकेट क्लोज कर देते हैं डिवाइडेड बाय x प्लस 1 द होल स्क्वायर. अब न्यूमरेटर सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं 1 into x plus 1 so that is x plus 1 minus x times 1 that is x upon x plus 1 the whole square. अब x और ये माइनस x कैंसिल हो जाता है सो फाइनली वी हैव 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square. So this is the value for dy by dx.